You attract what you deserve.
You attract what you deserve.
Tanong mo sarili mo, would I date myself?
Yeah, looks will get your attention, but personality will make you stay.
Sabi nga nila, the longer you stay in the wrong train, mas mahal ang bayad.
And I think that is why don't get in a serious relationship if you think that you're not ready, if you still want to explore. Like, don't give a person, regardless if you're a guy or a girl, don't give the person the commitment label kung alam mo naman sa sarili mo na di ka pa ready mag-commit. Diba? Hey there, my flirty butterflies. Welcome to Lindian with Danny. And for today, as you can see, we're in a different studio because it's very exciting. I have here a bunch of guests. It's the first time na ganito karami po ang guest natin in the podcast, which I think later you'll hear them. Quiet muna kayo, boys. Diba? Na-excite kayo. Puro boys. Dahil lagi puro girls ang guests natin. But for today, if you know what I have been yapping about in the past episodes, maybe you know that I also have trauma when it comes to guy friends. So hopefully in this episode, we'd get to see a better light in how guys treat dating and maybe even friendships and of course, relationships. So para marinig yun yung voices nila. I'm not sure. I feel like you guys also recognize their voice. But if not, edi marinig nyo lang muna yung thoughts nila before I formally introduce them. So my first question for you guys is, how's your heart? Oh, tahimik sila. Bato-bato pick, sino una? How's your heart? Kahit short lang, short answer.
Heart is full.
Okay.
Heart is grateful.
Grateful. Okay, next next answer.
Contented.
Wow! Okay. Next.
A heart well taken care of.
Wow! Okay. Malalaman natin mamaya kung taken care of someone or taken care of by him. Wow. Okay, next.
I would say my heart is peaceful.
Wow. I love those answers. Thanks so much, guys. Okay. So, without further ado, let me discuss to you guys the following questions that I think we'd be answering in this podcast episode. Para ko silang mga little brothers. Tahimik lang sila dito. Pero sa podcast sila sobrang ingay nila, guys. But let me get through this intro first before tayo magkulitan. So, how do guys flirt nowadays? Uso pa ba ang ligaw? How do men treat women as a friend versus relationship versus hookup? What are common misconceptions women have towards men and vice versa? How would you know if a guy is treating you seriously? Is social media helping or jeopardizing the dating game of Gen Zs? And may matitino pa bang lalaki in this generation? So in this episode of Lindy and with Danny, you're gonna know. Landy tip. Things men will never tell you, but in this episode, we will, featuring the bros of Ano Na Bro. So, my flirty butterflies, please welcome the hosts of Ano Na Bro podcast, Brent Valdez.
Yo.
Grabe, ang
Hello.
Okay,
Cozy.
Nikki Ko.
Hi guys.
Okay. JR Celia.
Hello po sa inyo.
And Dave Bornea.
Hello. What up guys? And hello sa ating mga butterfly friends. Butterfly friends ba?
Flirty butterflies.
Flirty butterflies.
Flirty butterflies.
Big shoutout sa inyong lahat. And
Ano yung intro nyo? Ano na, bro?
ano na bro? Yan na, lumabas na ulit.
Welcome guys. Welcome
No, thank
to
you
the
Danny.
show,
Thank you so
boy.
much
Thank you
for having us.
Thank you.
Para kasi po nahihiya po kami dito.
Nahihiya kami.
Alam
Mga
mo,
shy
kanina
type.
di kami nagkulitan sa podcast nila. So if you're listening to this, we also have an episode on their podcast.
Yeah.
Okay, warm up muna tayo.
Warm up.
Okay.
Okay.
Ito, what's the biggest misconception women have about men?
Men are trash.
Uy.
Yun, maganda yun.
Yes.
Diba?
Gamit. First episode namin.
First episode namin.
Talaga?
Yes.
Wow. May nagsabi nga men are recyclable.
Men are
Sorry.
recyclable.
Naalala ko lang yun. Pero
Sakit
such a bad example.
So, ginagamit
bad
nyo lang pala kami paulit-ulit?
No.
Ay, hindi.
Gamit na gamit.
Tell that to the guy who said that. Anyway, okay, ano pa? Ano pang misconception?
Fuckboys? Daw kami?
Totoo na. Ano sabi mo?
Lahat kayo sinasabihan ng fuckboys?
Hindi naman.
Or like maraming guys nasasabihan ng fuckboy?
Marami.
Okay.
What
Cheaters.
else? What else?
Hindi, well, parang kapag you get into a relationship with us, susunod kaya sa gusto namin.
Okay.
Oh, deep.
Hindi pa.
Parang,
Ba't parang seryoso natin dito, bro?
Wala akong maisip.
Ano pa, Dave?
Okay.
I think...
Ito na lang.
Sinabi niyo na lahat eh.
I have this segment in my podcast called What's Your Land Dilemma? So, what's your Landi dilemma?
Galing mo talaga, Daddy!
Galing ni
Napaka-witty
Danny.
mo!
Every time kasi, like, every day, may magdi-DM sa akin, like, Ate Dani, paano to, ganyan. And I found this specific DM from Mika, so her name's Mika, tas she's asking help. Kaya, very thankful din ako that I am able to guest you guys kasi hindi ko alam kung paano sasagutin to. Basically, ito yung message niya. Ate Dani, I hope mabasa mo to and help please. Pagod na talaga ako sa dating scene ngayon.
Uy.
Parang lahat ng nakakausap ko, gusto lang ng situationship or go with the flow, let's see where it goes. O kaya sasabihin interested sila pero walang effort na kilalanin ka ng maayos. Tapos kapag tinanong mo kung ano ba talaga hanap nila, parang kasalanan mo pa na gusto mo ng clarity. So gusto ko lang naman malaman, meron pa bang mga lalaki na genuine na naghahanap ng seryosong relationship ngayon?
Meron.
Marami.
Marami.
For me,
Oo.
para sa akin, kung ganyan yung guy, next na, pass yan. Di ba?
Tama. Pero that just shows that the guy isn't interested in you, di ba? Yeah.
Or baka may dilemma din sila.
That's
may
true.
land dilemma din sila.
May lang dilemma din yung mga guys.
May phases kasi yan eh. It depends also kung saan ka, ano yung environment mo. So if nasusurround ka ng mga hindi pa ready, edi go somewhere else.
That's true.
And I guess okay naman yung lagi kine-clarify. Hindi naman siya masama. So, if nalaman mo na hindi siya up for a serious relationship, edi okay lang. Sabi nga ni Jay, pass, go sa next.
Tama. There are many fishes in the ocean.
Exactly.
That is true. You just have to put yourself out there. Again, hindi naman bigla na lang kakatok yung dawan mo dyan sa pinto mo. Yeah, di ba sabi mo rin kanina sa podcast natin, sa episode,
bro?
sa podcast nyo, na parang you have to put yourself,
out there.
and explore.
Oh. And kung may magsaramang window, another window will open. I don't know if that's the right saying.
That's true naman. That's true. At least, di ba, alam mo na parang, okay, this person isn't for me. Next.
But the process is hard, no?
It
to
is
accept
super,
it.
super
Oh,
hard.
parang, teka, paano ko ba ipuput
Wait, what
into-
are your relationship statuses ba? Uy.
Hindi, bago mo sagutin, mag-add pa ako.
Okay.
Ano yun, tinuturuan ka rin yan na you have to be patient. Kasi lahat ng bagay sa life natin, may right timing.
That's true.
So at this moment na ni-reveal sa'yo na this guy or those guys are not ready for any relationship na serious, you have to be patient in that specific moment. Kasi naiinis na siya eh. Bakit ganito na naman yung guy? Bakit hindi na naman seryoso? Bakit gusto situationship lang? It's building your character na
That's true.
building your
That's nice.
patience
Yeah.
as a person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And kasi I think in social media ngayon, no, like
Yes,
feeling
so-
natin instant na natin
Yeah.
makuha lahat. So that's
Tapos
that's
lahat
actually
short
nice.
form na. So
Right.
yung attention span mo, gusto mo
That's
lahat
true.
instant.
Oo.
That's
Especially sa mga, sa dating apps, diba? Just swipe left, swipe right. Parang, wow, ganun kabilis. Ganun na lang kadali ang
Hindi mo
dating
muna
scene.
kinilala yung tao,
Yeah.
no? Ginudge mo agad with the profile.
And I think, I also believe in, you deserve what you attract. Tama ba? You attract what you deserve.
you attract what you deserve.
Sorry,
Yes,
pang ilang
yes.
episode na to.
You attract what you deserve.
Yun.
That is true. Which
So-
goes back to what I keep on saying, na be who you want to date.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Oh, yes.
Okay.
Kasi pag you know your worth, ma-attract mo rin yung
Yeah.
kapantay mo, katulad mo.
Tanong mo sarili mo, would I date myself?
Yes, I like that. I like that.
Napaisip ako dun, pre.
No, it's okay. Healing ka pa naman, no? Healing ka pa.
Yes,
So it's fine.
healing.
It's fine.
And landi responsibly.
Tinapos na.
You know who he's talking about. Okay. Do you have something to add anymore? Wala na?
Okay na.
Okay, Mika, I hope that somehow answers your question, Mika. Ito yung gusto ko malaman ever since college ako. tinatanong ko na to, and sa lahat ng guy friends ko, totoo ba na pag nakita mo yung girl, kita pa lang malilabel mo na siya na, this is someone I wanna be in a relationship with, or this is someone I wanna fuck, parang ganun.
Yes.
Ma-identify mo agad?
Actually, may mga ganong may mga ganong moments din. Or parang, alam mo yung parang kinikilala mo na lang siya through her profile.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. Tapos, yun nga, parang stereotyping shit. But then again, wala naman yan sa itsura lang. Kasi minsan, may mga ano na akala mo lang ito, pang ano lang to, pang one night lang to. Pero nung nakilala mo siya, iba pala.
Iba pala. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Oh.
Yeah. But judge the judger.
Kasi kung
Pwede. Okay, pasok.
Nice.
pero yeah, ako ako nakikita ko sa isang sa isang girl, nakikita ko if siya na yung talagang gusto kong makarelasyon. Pero it takes time din, syempre. And gusto mo rin makilala muna first yung ugali niya. Kasi looks nandyan naman di ba? Given na yun and ano. Pero yung ugali ang mahalaga talaga
Yeah, looks will get your attention, but personality will make you stay.
Personality.
Actually, ano yan parang somehow, parang in nature ng men, na more on, di ba, visuals, kung ano nakikita natin, attraction. So, from that, dun mo ito, parang trip ko to parang ganun. May mga ganun I think,
Totoo yung love at first sight, no?
Talaga?
Ako, for me, parang pag nakita ko siya, uy, iba tong babaeng to, parang na-inlove ako. Parang nafe-feel ko. Pero hindi ko pa pinapakita sa kanya yun.
Yeah.
Kasi ganun kami mga lalaki.
That's true pala. No? Because my dad, when he saw my mom, sabi niya agad sa utak, hindi niya pa nakakusap Nakita niya lang, nag-aabang ng jeep. Sabi niya, ate mo papangasawa ko.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's why I also believe in that. Because my parents were like that. Pero may instance ba sa'yo na parang na-love at first sight ka?
Oo, meron.
Yeah. Like, anong naisip mo? Like, anong tumakbo sa utak mo nung nakita
Parang
mo
that time nung nakita ko yung isang gusto ko sa isang babae. And nakita ko sa kanya. Parang sabi ko, shit,
siya na to?
parang okay to Parang siya na to Ayun.
Ano ba yung gusto mo
So
sa
ngayon, 3
isang
years na
babae?
kami.
pre?
Wow!
Ano yung nagustuhan mo doon?
Ako yung pagiging simple lang niya. Yeah. Pagiging simple. That's what I like.
Was there a moment when you thought na parang, oh, I already love this girl? Was it just one moment or like a combination of multiple?
Ano na nagsunod, like multiple na Like, nagsusunod-sunod na yung mga pinapakita niya. And then, so,
Pasok talaga sa
after
mga-
3 years, doon na kami nag-aaway. So, parang nababawi. Wait lang.
Nagte-test kasi nakikita nyo na talaga yung, yung
Pero
the real
we
side of each
still
other.
love each other. Part ng relationship.
Part
yun.
Yes, that's true.
And doon kayo magiging strong.
That's
Agree.
true.
Agree.
That's true. Ikaw ba?
Ikaw, Brent, kamusta yung love life?
Ano to? Love at first sight? Yes. Oo naman. My ex, love at first sight yun. Nung nakita ko siya.
Ano to, nag-slow-mo ba siya?
Somehow. Oo.
What?
Slow mo yun.
For
Tapos, hindi na natapos yung kwentuhan. And then, the next year, 4 years na kami.
Wow. When you know, no?
Yeah.
Kaso nag-break.
In the
kayo.
beginning.
nangyari.
Ngayon, ano?
Yun, yung misunderstanding and then magkaiba ng era in life and
Don't cry.
Okay lang yan, bro.
Oh, walang iyakan dito, bro.
No,
guess,
you can
guess
cry, you
tayo
can cry.
dito, bro. Tandaan mo.
Vulnerability is nice. In my...
Yeah.
it's yun, hindi lang nagkaintindihan and
Yeah.
kahit mahirap siya, you have to accept it. Kasi sabi nga nila, the longer you stay in the wrong train, mas mahal ang bayad.
That's
mahal ang
true.
pamasahe.
Oo, bro.
Mas masakit, mas mahirap. E di, ayun, 4 years, I believe, okay na yun. And it's time to accept
Yeah.
what happened as it is and
Charge
move
it to
on.
experience.
It is what
Learn
it is,
from the
bro.
Learn
mistakes.
from it, yes.
And heal.
Yeah.
It will not be linear. It will
Yeah.
be like a roller coaster ride. But
That's
that's how life is. If you don't experience these kind of things, well, pwede ka nang umalis sa mundo. It's part of life to experience, to feel sadness, happiness, gladness,
exactly,
everything.
Buti nga nakakaramdam ka pa eh.
Yes, yes.
Yung iba
Iba
manhid
dyan,
na yun.
manhid na, no?
Yeah, yun ang malungkot pag manhid ka na.
And also at the end of the day, when you realize how grateful you are with the friends you have, the family, what you have right now, even if nagkaroon ka ng failed relationship, kung i-shift mo yung perspective mo into something that is positive and good, you know, you will be able to move on, I believe, in due time.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it. Enjoy life.
Si Nikki parang may
We
sasabihin.
got you, bro.
Hindi, sabihin ko lang sana kung nagustuhan mo naman ba yung growth mo during the process? Along the way.
Yeah. Madaming pre.
Podcast natin.
Parang, uy, akala mo ito na, uy.
And that's normal. That's normal. Katawag
Minsan
ng relapse.
nakakasabog ng utak siya. Pero you know, that's the beauty of life. That's the beauty of coming into a relationship.
Yeah. And coming out of it.
Yes.
Namimiss mo pa siya.
Namimiss mo pa
Guess
ba?
tayo dito. Parang
Guess tayo dito, pre.
Pero pag do guys relapse also?
Really?
Paano kayo mag-relapse? Anong ginagawa niyo? Sinustalk niyo rin ba siya? Tinitnan niyo yung previous photos niyo? Because girls do that.
Tinitignan pa rin kung how is that person doing right now. Okay ba siya?
Is she
Check
happy?
mo lang pero ayaw mo nang mag-involve sa buhay ng tao.
Yeah.
Yung totoo pa
Relapse
rin.
ka pa ba?
Nung first part, parang dinestract ko yung sarili ko.
Yeah, which is normal.
Which is normal and sometimes not right, you know. Minsan yung courage talaga, kailangan kunin mo yun kung saan mo kailangan kunin eh. Tapos hindi siya naging madali, but you have to go through it. I believe in, you know, in ending up a relationship, para siyang iba't ibang levels. May grief, may in denial. And then, tinanong ko nga si ChatGPT about it. Ano ba yung stages ng, ng breakup? Tapos sabi niya, it's not linear. Pwedeng grief ka ngayon, bukas in denial ka, tapos ito ka naman, this and that. So,
We make ChatGPT
we all
your
have
therapists.
our timeline.
We're just not healthy. If you need a
Magtatanong mo si
therapist,
ChatGPT, di ba? Parang, teka, you have to consult a medical practitioner for that.
pretend you're a therapist and tell me what I'm feeling right now. Ay, nako. Pero ikaw, other guys, do you relapse? Ay, hindi, ikaw, you're in a healthy relationship eh.
Oo, I'm healthy
Just broke up.
relationship.
Ikaw,
Oo naman.
what's your relationship status now?
I'm about...
Uy, parang nabubuloy-buloy.
Diretso mo yung sagot mo.
Ito kasi yun. yung status ko. Loko-loko ka talaga, ba? Hindi, I'm about to get married, man.
For real?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh!
Parang revelation to ah.
Revelation!
Oo naman.
Dito,
I'm proud of it.
show ni
Dito,
Danny.
dito mo in-announce?
Why not?
Wow!
Wow!
Parang hindi mo
That's
pa
a-
nasasabi sa natin.
Uy, sinabi ko na rin yun.
Sinabi mo
Na
naman.
parang I'm ready to settle down.
Yeah.
Kumbaga yung namin, relationship namin right now is moving on to the next
Wow.
Level.
level.
That's
Wow.
nice.
Kaya, parang there are times nga pag mga iniisip mo yung mga relapse, parang for me, parang nakakalimutan ko siya kasi natatabunan na siya sa kung anong present ngayon eh. So kung anong meron sa akin ngayon. I am abundant of love,
Uy, yes.
ayun, care, support. Kaya
That's nice.
mas doon ako alam mo yun, naging aware and just grateful every day.
Wow.
Ganun lang
Kinda
siya.
Grabe
inspiring.
naman. Ibang side ng bros na nakikita
Yeah,
natin.
man.
What about you, Nikki? Like, what's your relationship status?
Super happy.
Wow. Oh, so you're the only one who's single.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit
Kaya ang
bakit malungkot ka? Dapat masaya ka,
Di ba? Ito. Kaibigan ko sila for the longest time. Meron kaming era na lahat kami single. May era kami na lahat kami may partners. And then now, lahat sila meron. Tapos ako yung wala. And then every time, I will invite them to lunch, dinner, bowling, whatever, the pickleball, kahit anong pwedeng gawin natin dyan. I understand. It's normal. And it's part of life. If that's doon ako nakaka-relate sa mga meme online na if your friend comes out of the relationship, and then ito yung mga scenarios na yan. But I'm grateful for the bros kasi during those times they were there.
Yeah. Did any of them give you a specific advice
Ay.
when you broke up?
Busog na
with
busog
this
ako sa advice nitong
Wow.
tatlong
Ano yung mga
to.
advice nila na tumatak sa'yo?
Okay.
Sundutin mo lahat ng mga gusto mong sundutin, bro.
Single ka naman eh.
Advice ko kay Brent, sabi ko, you need to talk. Wow. Yeah, you need communication. Baka maayos pa.
Oh,
Hindi na namin yung advice namin sa'yo.
Wait, since sinabi mo yun sa kanya, did you consider it, like, to fix it?
Sinabi mo ba yun sa akin?
Oh, kaso lasing kaya tayo.
Nagiinuman kasi tayo nun, bro.
Nagiinuman tayo.
Hindi na naglo-load, no?
When?
Kumutan mo.
Yeah, ang dami. Parang if it's not healthy anymore, umalis ka na sa relationship na yan. Kung hindi na nagbibigay sa'yo ng joy, nasa rabbit hole ka na naman, this and that, you know. And
It's a cycle na lang, no?
So, hindi naman sila nagkulang sa pagpapaalala. Yun naman din yung masaya ako about.
As bros, do you, like, hold each other accountable? Na parang,
Akala ko, do you hold each other's hands?
romance, diba? Romance. Like, kunyari, pag, for example na lang, way back, let's say, 5 years ago, kapag kunyari, one is in a relationship, tapos makikita nyo na lang, nilalandi sila ng girl in a bar, like, would you stop that?
Oo,
Oo,
syempre.
pagsasabihan mo talaga.
Pagsasabihan mo.
That's part of the bro code.
Pero hindi kami yung, huy, sige na mo yung, ano kayo, kuya?
Like, paano nyo siya ginagawa? Kasi pero a lot of guys ngayon kasi in social media, like, of course, some of them know that, kunyari, their kabarkada or bro is cheating, pero di nila masabi na parang, bro, ayusin mo yan. Like, how would you approach a specific scenario?
Oh, sa amin siguro, like, kung gaano namin kakilala yung bawat isa, hindi namin tinotolerate yung ganung mga gawa.
Yeah.
Bubulungan talaga.
Yes,
Bubulong
sinasabihan
talaga.
namin.
Pero hindi mo siya ipapahiya sa,
Yeah.
sa crowd.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think, ibang deepness, depth na nung ano yun eh. Na
Friendship.
friendship.
Oo.
Actually, dapat ganun kapag totoong kaibigan mo.
That's true.
Kailangan correct mo kasi pupunta siya sa...
Tama.
Maling landas.
Sa yan.
Parang nasabi na namin tatlo yung kay Brent eh.
Huy!
Oo nga.
joke lang.
Parang hindi naman niya naririnig.
Pero like, for example, like specific things na lang, bubulungan mo, what else can you do? Kunyari, there are guys watching this also, na may friends silang ganun. Like, anong advice nyo sa kanila for them not to tolerate these types of things?
Sa cheating, no? While inside a relationship,
Yeah.
may reason behind it, and if you are not happy, easy for me to say, but just fucking leave.
Yeah, break up na, no? Instead of cheating.
Yeah,
So why
pero
would you even
marami in denial, tapos matagal pa bago nila i-accept na, oh shit, I'm not happy anymore. So
Yeah.
and there's we're talking about a lot of pride and ego and being
Maraming variables kasi.
Yun.
Kaya cheat na isang tao.
It's a choice.
Oh,
Choice.
Choice talaga naman siya.
Choice.
Pero hindi siya...
So, hindi siya pwedeng, as a reason.
yes, not justified, definitely.
Tama.
Pero aminin nyo, nag-cheat na kayo.
Oh, bro.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah,
that's lore, bro.
yeah.
Like, what happened? Like, what
Charge
did you
to
learn
experience.
from it? What did you learn from it? Like,
Ako sa exams na lang ako nag-cheat eh.
Sabi na eh. Galing.
Kaya idol ko to eh.
Ganda ng ano.
Idol ko to eh.
Totoo naman.
Galing.
Ano ba
Ganda na sa...
Doon na ako sa exams eh.
I think sa akin naman, dahil nga, bata pa, nag-explore. So, of course, yun, hindi pa ganun ka mature mag-isip. Yan nakagawa din ng mga ganung bagay. And desires, I think. Then, na parang, kasi there are times may mga, your decisions, nag-decide ka pero hindi ka naman sigurado sa decision na yun.
clouded na yung thoughts.
Yeah, so, mali pala, pero yun nga, andyan ka na sa situation na yun, kaya gumawa ka na ng, I don't know, man. Sabi ko,
meron akong kaibigan na nagsabi sa akin, hindi ko maalala yung pangalan.
Sino yun? Si Nikki?
Hindi.
Ay,
artista din siya. Hindi ko lang talaga maalala yung pangalan. Pero ang sabi niya, sa mundo natin ngayon, sobrang dali na lang mag-cheat. One text away, one call away, one DM away, everything at the palm of your hands. You can cheat. Pero, what if i-challenge mo naman yung sarili mo na, dito sa mundong 1 second lang I can cheat. Bakit hindi mo i-challenge yung sarili mo na, what if hindi naman ako mag-cheat this time?
That's so sad, no? Ginagawa mo pang challenge yung hindi pag-cheat. Dapat, it goes back to your values.
Yeah.
Check mo rin kung meron ka bang masasaktan na tao. Or
Yes.
imaginein mo if nangyari yan sa parents mo, or sa kapatid mo,
that's true.
sa relatives mo, or friend mo, best friend mo.
That's true.
So, actually lahat, sa pag-build talaga ng values mo.
Value system no, growing up.
Tama nga naman. Tama nga naman.
And lagi mong bros, lagi natin iisipin kung ano yung consequence nun.
That's true.
Actually lahat, actually cheating, sobrang selfish niya.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sarili mo lang iniisip mo sa
Yeah.
satisfaction mo. And bago ka gumawa ng action, isipin mo palagi intention and impact. Kahit yung intention mo na actually hindi pala magiging tamang intention yun kasi cheating eh. Pero in other scenarios, yung intention mo hindi siya mag-matter as long as yung impact is negative.
Oh.
Kahit na good intention ka pero yung dating sa isang tao is negative.
Hindi rin siya okay.
Think about another way to do it.
Or minsan din bro, maybe may ibang perspective din. Maybe it comes from society din and in the environment na who you surround with din. Kasi
Will
din
become
siya
like you?
I mean, it's somehow peer pressure din bro, or something na parang mukhang kulto mukhang anto and yung iba naiinganyo or na ano. Kasi mayroon na ako, example ako, nung bata ako, ganun ako. Naging ganun ako somehow, na parang yung mga tropa ko, papayabangan ng mga chicks. Yung mga ganun. So, ikaw din, ka din. So, hanggang...
Matitempt ka rin.
I mean, man, di ba? We young blood messed up, man.
Part yun ng life eh.
And part
Part
yun,
of it.
no?
And
Can't
I
get
think,
away with it.
Ngayon, nagugulat sa akin yung mga tao because whenever, kunyari, a friend introduces me to a guy, ako kasi very blunt ako kapag may in-introduce na boyfriend yung girlfriends ko. Sinasabi ko, have you been through your fuckboy phase? Tapos magugulat sila na, why are you asking that? Because I feel like if you're done with the fuckboy phase, alam mo na yung mali mo.
Bro, exactly,
Natuto ka
man.
na.
Yeah.
Exactly,
now,
man.
You can be a better boyfriend. You are capable now of settling. Kasi technically, napagdaanan mo na. Alam mo na yung consequences. Alam mo makakasakit ka. Natuto ka na, hopefully. So,
Pero isa pang sad yun, no? Na
ina-expect na kailangan may fuckboy.
kailangan mo madaanan para lang matuto.
Pero I think that's part in life, bro.
Yan.
Kasi, sige.
On the latter part, kung iisipin natin na, kasi tao lang tayo, bro, we have desires in life, man. Marami tayong parang gustong mangyari in life, fantasies in life, bro. Kung hindi natin yan na ma-achieve, meron ding parang magti-trigger na desire na when you get old, meron ka palang gusto mo palang gawin to. Na hindi mo nagawa noon, sana nagawa mo pala noon.
And I think that is why don't get in a serious relationship if you think that you're not ready, if you still want to explore. Like, don't give a person, regardless if you're a guy or a girl, don't give the person the commitment label kung alam mo naman sa sarili mo na di ka pa ready
Hindi
mag-commit.
ka pa ready.
Diba? Kasi it's not only guys who cheat, even women cheat. So it's
So vice versa lang.
Kunwari, kung hindi mo pa natitikman lahat ng putahe. Diba? Hindi mo pa nasasabi
Ginawa pagkain,
na
grabe ka.
Ginawa
Chinese cuisine, European cuisine, Filipino cuisine, tapos hindi
Mr.
mo,
Worldwide!
hindi mo pa
Mr. Worldwide!
na-try
Grabe ka.
at nasabi sa sarili mo na, okay, pwede na akong mag-lock in sa isang dish for the rest of my life. Eh di enjoy mo muna. Go through it.
Yun.
Because if you don't put if you don't explore, you wouldn't know your preference, diba?
Yeah.
Eh, sabi nila, okay, mabilis lang naman magpakasal, mabilis lang na mag-lock in to someone, pero sure ka na. Yun.
Okay, so with all the talk about like exploring and making mistakes in the past. Paano, like, what makes a guy stop talking to everyone else and focus on one girl na? Like, since the three of you guys are taken, what, may change in mindset ba? May...
You have to, kasi naniniwala ako na kapag sinabi mo sa sarili mo na hindi na ako mangbababae, sinasabi mo pa rin yung word na hindi ako mambababae. So, may impart pa rin sa mind mo na mambababae. You have to shift your focus to that person. You have to shift your focus to what you want to happen.
Okay. That's
So, parang
nice.
ganun.
That's actually nice if you dissect it. Yeah. How about you?
Ako kasi, when it comes sa relationship, talagang serious ako. I give everything. Like, all in ako.
Yeah.
And I never, di ko kaya na gawin yung mga bagay na like mag-cheat. Or,
Yeah.
seryoso
Yeah,
And
yeah,
gusto ko long-term talaga. I'm into long-term relationship. So, talagang pinipili ko talaga if sino yung magiging seryoso talaga. Na alam ko na seryoso rin siya sa akin. So-
May impact ba how these women treat you to make you realize na parang, she's a catch.
Of
I
course.
should respect her. I should value her.
Yeah.
Ano yung mga napakita niya siguro yung traits or like,
Siguro yung how she respect me rin. How I respect her.
Yeah.
How, Parang give and take lang eh. Kung gaano ko siya nire-respeto and gaano ko nire-respeto yung relationship namin, dapat ganun din yung pinapakita niya sa akin na kung gaano niya i-respect and gaano niya i-respeto ako.
yeah. How about you?
Me? Sa akin kasi, when I got serious sa faith ko with Jesus,
Yes.
yun na yung first priority ko.
Yeah.
So when I saw na my girlfriend right now, nung nakita ko siya before, na parang deep na rin siya sa relationship niya kay Lord, sabi ko, ganun yung gusto kong maging asawa.
Oh, yeah.
So, yun yung ko talaga. First priority ko, na inuuna niya si Lord.
Oh, that's nice.
More than
I actually believe, sorry. But like, ngayon nasa isa yun sa mga non-negotiables ko.
Yeah.
Na parang, the man should have a stronger faith in God compared to me.
Yeah.
Because if he's more faithful than me, that means he can lead me. Which is nice, actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sa akin, I think, yun nga, going back dun sa pinag-usapan natin yung, I think, nagpapasalamat ako na natapos ako dun sa fuckboy phase. Kasi from that, parang, wala eh, parang naano na ako eh. Parang, nanawa na ako eh. And then, dumating ako sa point na it was fucking empty.
Yeah.
And then may dumating na tao and then I saw the qualities na parang kasi I do believe na walang coincidence. I do believe na there's a purpose kung bakit ka dumating sa buhay ko.
Yeah.
Ngayon pinakita sa akin na these are the qualities and the values na makakasama ko every day. So yun yung parang awakening sa akin na parang okay, I should stop na. Kaysa naman na mawala to sa akin.
And totoo yung yung may isang taong dadating sa'yo na magpapabago
bro.
talaga eh.
Wow.
Totoo yun.
Totoo yan.
That's crazy.
And I think yun yung I think masasabi ko an example for me na yung partner ko dumating sa akin. And yun nga, dumating yung parang iba yung sense of yung respect and value mo sa relationship nyo na parang hindi mo na siya kayang dungisan pa.
Wow.
Kasi you know na the effect eh. Alam mo,
Yeah.
ang dami mo nang pinagdaanan from your fuckboy face eh.
Yeah.
And then, di ba? Bros,
Dinidistract niyo.
para naman kayong hindi dumaan dyan. Grabe naman kayo. Ako na nga nag-represent na para sa inyo. Kasi nahiya naman ako sa inyo, man. Sorry, bro. Iba kasi yung setup ngayon. Ayun, no? Pero maganda, no? Maganda, no? Anyway, so yun yan, na parang, again, I'm fucking grateful.
Yes,
Grateful, man.
that's so
Na natapos ako dun sa phase na to and God gave me someone na ibago yung takbo ng buhay ko. And
That's good, bro.
God
Buti
gave-
na lang ako hindi ko na-experience yung face na ganun.
I mean, meron kasi siyang, bro, lahat ng experiences natin in life, man, it may be bad or good, meron yung purpose and lesson in life, bro. Meron tayong kanya-kanyang story.
Yes.
So, yun lang.
So nice.
You live and you learn.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, naniniwala ba kayo sa if he wanted to, he would? Kasi a lot of girls right now, parang kapag may ka-talking stage sila, di nila alam kung gusto ba talaga sila ng guy, tapos magiging delulo sila na simpleng konting interaction lang or konting view sa story, feeling nila na,
Yun na
he
yun.
likes me, doesn't like me, mixed signals ba? I feel like with your testimonies, mukha naman if he wanted to, he would. If he
Yes.
wanted to be serious with you, he would.
he would.
Like, you don't have to make any other explanation with the parang attitude or asal ng guy. Kasi makikita mo naman talaga pag seryoso sila.
Totoo.
Ito na lang. Since you guys have those experiences, what's a green flag in women that instantly stands out? I think you answer first because you're
Go.
single.
Well,
Lahat, bro, green flag
number
sa'yo.
one,
Sabi ka naman.
Basta may
Love for
mata.
God.
Pwede. Dalawang kamay.
mata, okay. Number one is love for God. Yan. And then second, love for family. And then third, kailangan mahal niya rin yung sarili niya. Kasi,
That's true.
yan, pag nag-check yung tatlong yun, pasok ka na sa final round.
Elimination pala.
Choose you, no? Parang gano'n, no?
Yun.
Ano bang type ng isang Brent Valdez?
Well, gusto ko seryoso. Seryoso in life. And
Kaya kang ipaglaban.
iba yung yung intellectual capacity. I
Yeah.
guess.
Kaya
Wait lang,
kang
wait lang.
emotional
Mag-object your
intelligence.
May Latin honors.
Bro, Brent, di ba Danny single ka?
Yeah.
Ayun na nga.
Ito na nga. Dating show.
Gusto naman yung intellectual capacity mo.
Itutuloy na ba natin?
Ay. Ano, abangan sa next episode.
Next episode.
Pang 26 ka.
Yan, pasok.
Kasi 2026 na siya ngayon, bro.
Oo, pasok.
Sige.
Hindi, pero yun. Ano nga,
Ayan,
like, aside from intellectual.
The emotional intelligence also. Kasi maraming yugto sa relationship ang i-present ka ng challenges na akala mo hindi mo kakayanin. So, kailangan mo ng logic. You have to be rational. And then, kailangan strong yung foundation mo and your values, like what you said, I believe. And kailangan the compatibility.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, very important. Kasi, sige, ma-check man yung mga boxes na yan. And then, along the way, marirealize mo, di pala compatible. Hirap naman ito.
And it's not because he doesn't completely dislike you. It's because hindi na talaga nag-align.
Di nag-jive.
Yeah, hindi nagja-jive.
And you have to
it's
accept it.
There's nothing wrong with you. It's just that you're not the right person for each other. Kayong tatlo, I'm curious. What's the top one green flag that your partner has?
Pag mini-baby ako.
First meet pa lang nila.
Ang bilis ng sagot eh.
Meron ba kayong mga call sign, bro, or endearment?
I mean,
Sabi ka na, sabi ka
joke lang yun, bro. Joke lang yun. Joke, icebreaker lang. Ito naman. Para sa akin, green flag, ano ba?
Hindi mo na lang aminin na binibaby.
Oh, bro.
Sinabi mo na, pre.
Hindi guys, aminin natin, tayo mga lalaki, mataan na tayo, matapang tayo, pero pag nandiyan yung mga partner natin,
Oo.
bro, naranasan natin mag-baby talk din. Huwag na kayo dyan masyadong,
Good job.
huwag tayo mag-feel, dito, bro.
Galing.
Sige na.
Minsan nasabi mo, love, pakamot nga nito.
Ano? Yung kiss ko.
Pero di ba?
Hindi, bro.
Gusto niyo ba yun? Like,
Pero
Love
yung men,
language.
may ganun. May mga parang soft side din. Pag
And I
sobrang
believe
komportable.
in public, iba mag-act ng guy at girl. Pero pag silang dalawa na lang, syempre, you show sides na you just show each other.
Pero,
Tanggal lahat
hindi.
ng walls mo.
Pero kidding aside, bro, yung pinaka-importante talagang green flag sa akin. Yun nga, again, same din kay Nikki na maka-Diyos. Pag maka-Diyos ka, I know I am safe with you.
Wow.
Ano
Did you
flavor
pray
ng
for
Diyos?
your
Ha?
partner? Did you
Extra
pray
Diyos.
for your
Yes.
partner?
Yeah.
Anong prayer reveal? Anong pinagdasal nyo?
Ano,
Before you
isang
met?
Hail Mary, tapos...
Kailangan pa alas 12.
Sorry.
Tapos pangatlong full moon.
Nag-ano na lang, nag-rosary na lang siya.
Tapos lumuhod siya from the door.
Nagluhod ka sa
Tapos
altar.
vigil ka, ganun. Hindi, I think, totoo talaga yan. When a couple pray together,
Yes, I agree.
I think and I feel na you'll stay
kaka-accent.
forever.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
it's
so
true,
nice.
it's
That's
true.
so nice.
Kami ng partner ko actually, we do always pray before we go to sleep.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
My mom and my dad, when they met each other, tas when they were together na, like committed na to each other, they both studied in UP kasi. My mom was Methodist, my dad was Catholic. But every day, they made it a point, they would attend mass. Kahit na magkaiba pa sila ng religion. Which I think is nice. Kasi hindi ko yung naintindihan growing up eh. Like when I had my first boyfriend, parang they keep on saying na, pray. I was like, why? For what? Pero now that I'm older, I get to realize na it's very helpful if you
It
have
is.
Yes.
guidance
It
from God
is.
and like you leave space for the Holy Spirit. You know?
It's true, it's true.
Kayo, anong prayers niyo?
Ako, makwento ko lang
Go.
Nung partner ko,
Sige,
talagang
kwento ka.
pinag-pray ko. Kasi
Kwento mo.
kasi that time, wait lang. Kala niyo kasi nagjo-joke ako. Bro,
Hindi, pare. Makwento ko lang pare.
bro, wala
Pare
tayo sa
kasi.
bro.
wala pa tayo.
So, we need to be serious.
Oh, yeah.
Di ba?
Dapat.
Okay, sir.
Kasi that time, bro, nung nakilala ko yung partner ko now, meron pa akong isang girl na nakakausap that time. And sinabi ko yun sa partner ko.
Yeah.
Pero pinag-pray ko talaga. I ask Lord,
Sign.
Lord, bigyan niyo po ako ng sign if ano bang,
Yeah.
sino ba nararapat or ano. Kung hindi man po
Remove them
niya
from
ibigay
my
sa
life.
akin, eh, di okay lang, parang ganun.
Yeah.
Mm.
Sinurrender mo na lang.
Yeah, so, and then, ayun, hanggang sa may nangyari na, like, itong isa is merong kailangan gawin and ano, mag-focus sa ibang. So, siya yun na yung binigay sa akin. And now, you know, meron, we're happy
Together.
kami. We're together and
Yeah. Against all odds.
Against
all odds,
distance, bro. Like,
Solid, so totoo
and
yan.
thankful ako and blessed na,
Amen.
you know.
yeah.
Amen.
That's nice. How about you, Nikki?
Prayer ko at that time, nung hindi pa kami, sabi ko, kasi galing ako sa isang relationship that time eh. So, ayaw kong mag-reach out sa kanya during that time kasi alam ko hindi pa ako ready and healed at that time. So, pinag-pray ko, kapag okay na ako, I want na siya na yung
Wow.
maging partner ko.
Wow. Like, pinag-pray mo specifically her.
Oh,
Wow.
Wow.
God damn.
Grabe.
so it happened.
That's crazy.
And mag-1 year na kami next month. So,
Happy
LDR din kami, pero
anniversary
Cebu lang.
sa
Kiss
inyo,
God
pre.
gave me you to show me how to feel. There's no
Grabe naman, ganun na ganun, bro.
Because I didn't expect na these guys have these, layers. It's
Yeah,
we're
tsaka-
like mid-onion na.
konti na mabubuksan.
We're halfway there, bro.
Tsaka in relation to yung yung prayer time ng parents mo. May sinaset din kami na weekly
Wow.
na prayer time together and weekly catching up. Kasi LDR din kami, Cebu
Yes,
lang daw.
yes.
Ayan, so
How about you? May prayer ka ba now? Hindi mo pa
Yeah.
napipray?
Oo, pinagdasal ko yun kay Lord.
Anong klaseng
Right
barang
now?
yan, bro?
Yung-
Crazy
so
guy.
ano nga, yung prayer mo ngayon, hindi naman necessarily for your ex, but like, right now, are you praying
okay.
for your future?
Binabalikan ko to, I think, very recent. Na, sometimes if nanggaling ka sa, natapos yung relationship mo, and you invested so much in that relationship, and at the end of the day, parang, kapag maingay na, gugustuhin mo pa rin ba na magstay, di ba? Kailangan mo muna ng pahinga and mahanap yung peace na yun within you.
Yeah.
So, may mga times na, kuwari manonood lang ako ng teleserye. Teleserye sa Netflix, sa HBO, ganyan. Tapos may scene lang. May isang malit lang na scene, pre.
Relapse ka.
Na, parang nakakaiyak to, iiyak ka na. Umiiyak na ako agad. Tapos, most of the time, since, I nag-immerse ako sa work, I kept myself busy, distracted from, kung kaya ko, kahit hindi naman ako kailangan dun sa work, papasok pa rin ako para lang mawala sa isip ko. And then may mga times na, you feel down, and then, dun ko sinabi na, nag-pray ako kay Lord na, Lord, kung ano man ito, i-guide niyo po ako.
Yeah. So yun lang. You're just lifting it all up to Him.
Hindi ko pa
to guide you
alam
with
kung
this. Yeah.
what's in front of me, but,
Yeah.
may mga times na you really have to surrender everything to Him.
Okay. Sobrang seryoso. No?
Sobrang seryoso. Icebreaker.
Di mo na-expect, no?
I didn't expect. No, kasi ako, I am very in tune with my faith also at this point in my life. But as much as possible, ayoko rin naman na always talk about God kasi baka sabihin ng mga tao, baka mamaya you're religion baiting or faith baiting.
Yeah.
So it's nice that you guys brought it up because I feel like with your images or past images on social media or with your fans or with your viewers, I don't think they get to hear you guys talk about this side a lot. So it's nice also. Also for the guys who are, let's say, high school, may mga lalaki kasi nakikinig ng podcast ko. Para daw maintindihan nila how the mind of the women work. Which I hope you guys are also listening to this because, again,
matuto kayo sa mga kuya.
because again, these guys also experience what you're probably experiencing right now. Na parang you're making mistakes, you're eyeing that girl, you want to ligaw that girl. But again, like healing, love, and courtship and dating is not also linear. Like, ang daming ano yan. Kakamali ka, matututo ka.
Yes.
And everything. Speaking of healing, alam niyo ba yung different attachment styles?
Yes.
Attachment
Anxious,
styles. Yes, yung mga ganon.
attachment.
Ano bro?
Avoidant.
Okay, I'll give you
Come on.
pahapyaw, an explanation. Okay, so basically, yung attachment styles, it's not permanent labels. So it changes throughout
over
time,
time.
diba? So it changes when you already have self-awareness. But it definitely, at the end of the day, it helps with understanding yourself and how you treat relationships, diba? So there are 4 attachment styles. First is secure. So you're comfortable with closeness. Okay ka lang kahit may independent life din yung partner mo. You always communicate and you don't play games anymore. So that's secure. Yung anxious naman, you always need a lot of assurance. Lagi ka nag-overthink. Lagi mo pinangungunahan na may gagawing mali yung partner mo. Or lagi ka nag-assume, mixed signals. And pag anxious ka rin, easily ka na-attach. Kasi ayaw mong kumawala yung tao or whatever. Avoidant naman, ito parang nagpo-pull away sila kapag nakikita nila na serious na yung relationship.
Or
And
may mga
they struggle with
challenges.
vulnerability pag avoidant ka. Usually, these are the people who aren't healed yet. Or like they're navigating dating, ganyan.
Yeah.
Fearful avoidant, they crave love and connection but scared din sila of getting hurt. So dito yung mga hot and cold treatment. Yung they want intimacy pero they fear trusting people or being vulnerable around people. So what do you think are your attachment styles?
Yung nag-overthink na lang. Ano yun yung mas...
Nice question, Danny.
Yeah, ikaw, what do you think your
I think
attachment?
dalawa, the anxious and
Anxious.
avoidant.
Oh, wow.
There are times where I will feel secure in a relationship, but
Pero
yun
now
nga, just
that
like
you're
what you
single.
said, na it changes over time.
Yeah.
Changes over time. So,
Parang classroom nito.
Ano daw yung unang attachment?
Secure.
Secure na.
Secure yung ano ka.
Halatang not listening ha.
Communicates clearly yung secure. Hindi ka na nag-play games. Ikaw, do you think secure ka?
Ako?
Ako?
Kayo muna bro. Iniisip ko pa eh. Ngayon pa lang siya nagpo-process eh.
Ako secure ngayon. Pero may time na sa mga past relationships, kapag may argument, nagiging avoidant ako. Iba ba yun? Is that different?
Yung
Parang
avoidant and secure.
nag-avoid ako dun sa height ng ng argument.
Yeah, because you sometimes struggle with vulnerability. So
I
instead
shut
of like,
down.
I see.
Pero ngayon, hindi na. Secure na. We
Okay.
communicate right away. And
Yeah.
well.
Sana all.
Sana all.
Ikaw, what about you? What's your attachment style?
Nasagot ko na.
Secure?
Nasagot ka.
Yung naging anxious na ano.
Anxious. So, you need assurance from time to
Yep.
time.
Kasi, ang hirap eh. Kasi
Ang hirap na
long
LDR.
LDR kami.
And it's not just other city or another island in the Philippines.
Pero
far.
totoo na communication talaga kailangan when it comes sa LDR for me. Kasi, you know,
That's the only thing
That's
you can
the
do.
only thing.
Yeah. Yeah. How about
Hindi.
Ano nga ulit?
Wala namang grade though. Wala namang grade.
Ano nga ulit?
secure na, secure.
Hindi, I think ngayon, yung current ano ko,
Secure to?
secured. Secured.
Ah,
Kasi,
the bros, no?
kasi ano eh, pero of course, may mga before pa, before na ako,
Huwag na natin
may
balikan
mga
before.
attachments na anxious.
Baka hindi ka maging secure.
Yes.
May ganun, may
Ay.
minsan may mga attachment. Mix eh.
Yeah.
Pero right now, pag nasa ano ka na talaga, like, healthy relationship and commitment, mas i-priority mo yung security and peace.
Just sa edad namin kasi, Danny, yung mga nasa harapan mo kasi, mga patito.
nagsasalita ako 50 na tayo dito.
Ano, dalawang anak na yun.
Patito na tayo eh.
Akala ko nagpaparal na ng gulay you know?
Pero aminin niyo, bros. Di ba? Parang age natin ngayon, parang mas gusto na
Settling
natin.
na,
Oo, parang ganun na yung
I
nararamdaman
think,
natin.
Yeah.
there are ano,
I agree
parang
to
parts
disagree.
na hindi na ewan ko lang bro, parang sa akin naman din, there's a part of me na parang maybe it comes at age din. Kasi parang napaisip ko rin sa future na nga, ilang taon na ako, kailangan ko na magano kasi gusto mo, of course, pag tumanda ka, gusto mo ring makabanding yung anak mo.
Oh.
'Di ba? Or di kaya makita mo man sila na, yun, na bata-bata ka pa, malusog ka. So, kailangan, kumbaga, parang somehow naggagahol ka sa oras.
Yeah.
Naisip mo lang.
That was my dad's mindset because my dad and mom got married 23, 24.
Di ba?
And their goal wasn't career. Their goal was to really have kids. So, at a young age, they got married kasi gusto ng dad ko, tropa niya kaming mga anak niya.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, yun lang. So, yun
Yung
lang.
mga lalaki pa lang ganyan mag-isip pa rin ngayon. Anyway, okay.
Meron pa rin classic man, di ba? Meron pa rin classic man pa.
Merong 30 butterfly na nag-ask. Sabi, it's Urze. Hello. Okay, so sabi niya, how to deal with guys na may avoidant attachment?
I think, avoid ka rin.
Gantihan mo lang.
Hindi. Avoidant, I think para sa akin, kailangan mo munang intindihin yung sarili mo. Tapos intindihin yung iba. If meron kang taong ganun, bakit kailangan mong mag-adjust or bakit kailangan mong ipilit yung sarili mo?
That's true.
Diba?
Because at the end of the day, parang avoidant ba sila or hindi lang talaga nila ikaw gusto?
Kumbaga, you don't
Diba?
have to please
Pogi nila.
everyone.
Dapat ganun sabihin niya. No?
Pogi mo.
Pogi mo ah. Wow.
Parang ganun, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan i-please ang lahat.
May sagot ka? May sagot ako.
Go.
Sige.
Sa akin kasi personal experience eh. Ako yung avoidant.
Okay.
Tapos
Okay, self-aware Kane.
yung babae was anxious naman. So whenever may
my
argument,
gosh.
gusto niya mapag-usapan
push and
agad.
pull. Yes.
Ako naman, kailangan ko ng time,
process.
cool down time. Tapos, ang masasagot ko dyan sa flirty butterfly na yan is, if she's that aware na avoidant yung guy, bigay niya yung time. And then, pag okay na si guy, i-communicate niya yung issue niya with that guy. Sabihin niya, I noticed na avoidant ka, tapos ganito ako. And then, parang i-help niya lang niya ma-overcome yung pagiging avoidant. If gusto niya mag-work yung relationship.
True. And it takes bravery kasi to
Yeah.
voice that out, diba? Kasi hindi mo rin alam kung ano yung reaction ng other person.
What if uncomfortable si guy with the anxious setup? Diba?
Kaya
kailangan mo mag-usap para mag-meet kayo.
Yes. No, that's nice.
Super same with Nikki. I am also an avoidant when it comes to, let's say, dito lang talaga sa
Confrontational.
relationship ko yung kapag na-confront ka na, teka, I need time to process it. It's just that, yes, I love you, but I need time to gather my thoughts. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun ay dinidismiss kita. Palagi yan. Sometimes,
I
not
object,
perfect.
Your Honor. I object.
Not perfect, pare. Pero, yun na nga. Yun yung problem. Anxious din siya. So, doon nagkakaroon ng away talaga.
Yeah.
Away na. Teka lang, just 30 minutes, please. And then, we have to fix this. We have to talk about this now. Parang it's
Debate na naman,
opening
ano?
up. Ay, nako.
Ay, naku.
Parang ramdam niya pa yung
So,
pagod.
yung
dun sa
ay, buti na lang. Kaya yan, ang advice ko sa kanya, intindihin talaga. Kasi, okay, naintindihan din naman namin na anxious ka. But ano bang end goal natin dito?
To understand.
Ma-fix to.
Exactly, boy.
Fix to, manalo ko.
Yun
Manalo
nga. Most of the time, kung ang
Kailangan
isipin
bang
mo ay
manalo, bro?
kailangan intindihin mo ako just
wala.
because. Just because. Eh, walang patutunguhan yan.
Yeah. I have this, I learned about this thing. It's called the, oh my gosh, I forgot. Pero nasa tip na siya ng dila.
5, 4, 3.
Shit. Never mind. Cut it out.
Joke
I
lang,
was
take
about
your
to say
time.
something else.
Take your
Hindi. Ito. I read about this thing. It's called the blame game.
The blame game.
So for you to properly resolve or like be a better partner in your relationship, stop the blame game. Like, kunyari may argument kayo. Huwag kang bintang ng bintang. Like, instead of sasabihin mo sa kanya na ito mali mo, think to yourself like, how can I be better in this relationship?
Yun na nga.
So imagine if two
Sinasabi
people
natin.
are thinking that, na parang how can the both of you be better in the relationship, instead of like pointing your mistakes, you're gonna say na parang, okay, sorry, mali ko.
Sana may
Ang
ganong
problema
awareness.
nga, pre, etong yung experience ko, not naman the recent, but may experience akong ganito. Yun yung opening spiel niya.
Kasalanan mo.
Ang problema sa'yo, ay, sino ba namang gustong marinig yun? Eh di, okay.
Di ako na may kasalanan.
Parang may naglalabas na ng sama ng loob dito.
Hindi, yun
Ayun,
nga, diba? The experiences. Yun yung
And again, you
nagpapagrow.
have to experience that for you to learn that that is wrong.
Sim.
Don't just be right. Parang want to love right. I-want mo na mag-love ng tama. Parang ganun. Para mag-match kayo.
Sim.
See.
Okay. Sige. Ito naman, I feel like a lot of girls also, lalo na the younger ones, not with your age brackets. Wow, mga tito.
Nasa
No.
20.
Na-bracket pa.
Uy, kaya pa din.
25 pa lang.
No, I think these are some of the questions also, my 30 butterfly. So, kung ang females, women, most women, not all, they want flowers, receiving flowers, ano yung equivalent nun when it comes to men?
Butterflies.
Kala mo mabibili lang sa dangwa eh. No?
Kami
Kasi
parang-
flowers for us, it's just a simple thing, but it makes our day. Alam mo yung parang hindi nyo alam, pero pag binigyan nyo kami ng flowers, pag gising namin, tititigan namin
Yes.
yan, away-away namin, picture-picture kami. Imagine, I received flowers one time, dude, yung gallery ko, puro bulaklak. Ganon, tsaka ka-big deal for a lot of girls. For you guys, what's the equivalent of flowers? Kung meron man.
Her smile.
Oh! May ganun ba? Or wala naman?
Meron.
Anong equivalent?
Yung
nun?
counterpart, yung malaman ko lang na, uy, meron akong team member dito.
Uy, di totoo yan, Brent. Mahal na yung gasolina.
Ano sa agad yun?
Hindi, yun yung parang green flag, I would say. Yung maramdaman
Partner
mo
mo
lang
siya.
na, ano kayo?
You're in this together.
Yes, you're in this together.
Parang
Deep
ano,
na nun,
parang hindi
Flowers
nabigay yun
lang.
sa last relationship.
Sagad na yun ah.
Ay. What about the others? Like, may equivalent ba yun?
Para sa akin, I think, pag binibaby talk pa rin talaga ako.
Tinatanggi niya ba kanina?
Hindi, joke lang. Hindi. I think, ano ba? Ano bang equip? Kasi ako appreciative akong tao eh. So, kung ano man yung parang kahit small effort, kahit yung presence mo lang yung energy mo, naramdaman ko na maggaan tayo, masaya tayo, and it's fine for me.
Does gratitude mean a lot to you guys? Na parang,
Yes,
voice out talaga na thank you for...
You gotta be.
You gotta be.
Oo, kasi you have kasi parang ano siya it's a reminder for both partners na parang man, napakasarap naman ng ganitong feeling, the love. Thank you for this. And you do that every day. It's like a reminder eh.
Grabe no, nakaka-energize yun, no?
Exactly,
Kagana
bro.
magmahal pag sinabihan
Oo.
ka.
Para siyang, yun nga, it's a reminder sa inyo every day na ang sarap magmahal. Thank you for that. Thank you for the energy. Thank you for this. Ganun yun. Tapos, man, masarap din yung, nun?
Ano?
Pagmamahalan.
Yeah, man, we have to be forthright with this sex, di ba?
Exactly, bro!
It's also,
Ginoy's out?
it's very important
Pinoy's
in a
out.
relationship
Totally.
also na magkaroon kayo ng great sex.
Yeah. Physical chemistry.
Physical chemistry,
Also
yes.
important. Yeah. Okay.
Ako kasi marriage first.
Marriage first.
Virgin?
Virgin yung tropa natin.
Oo nga.
Pero paki-focus po si EJ.
Paki-focus mo.
Yeah.
Tingin ka nga.
Oo nga.
Grabe yung mata.
Tikom ng bubong.
Good job. Pero ano yan? Seryoso yan?
Ha?
Seryoso yan?
Sino?
Kasi there are guys.
Hindi naman.
Hindi daw wala.
Aminin ka, hindi. Pero gusto ko. Yeah, sana.
Sana.
Kaso
nangyari na eh.
No, kasi there are guys, okay, fine. You already had sex when you were young, but when you met the right person, you would think na parang, okay, this one, I would wait it out.
Ako, for me, if yun ang gusto niya, I'll respect that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If ayun ang gusto ng partner ko, yeah, I can give that to you. Promise.
Amazing.
Kaso hindi eh.
Kasi hindi. Nangyari na siya.
Nangyari na eh.
Pero, yeah. At least masaya kayo, di ba?
At least nagmamahalan kayo, bro. Yun yung
No, because
tunay.
that's part of a relationship. It's up to you na lang if you align with that or
Yes.
not.
Uh-huh.
But, yeah. Ikaw, Nikki, do you have anything to add?
Siguro, natutuwa ako pag naaalala na yung mga details na sinasabi ko.
Wow. Yeah. Little things.
Yeah, for example, sa food or sa kung ano man. And same ako kay Dave na appreciative din ako. Kahit sa mga simple service na ginagawa for me.
Mhm.
Binibigyan ako ng food or drink or something na makaka-help kapag kailangan ko ng help. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
And ano pa ba yung question kanina?
Parang ano
Yung
siya.
gratitude.
Yes.
Hindi ko naman parang ginugusto na meron sinasabi na thank you sa akin. Kasi natutuwa rin ako if na-appreciate nung partner ko. Kunyari, for example, binigyan ko sa kanyang gift. Tapos ginamit niya yun. I know na parang okay, ginagamit niya. Ramdam niya yung love and
Yeah.
parang na-appreciate niya by using it.
Yeah.
Pero, words have power. So,
That's true.
nakaka-add talaga siya.
Yeah. And people forget na parang simple compliment, simple words of affirmation can make someone's day.
Yes.
Diba? Parang lalo na kapag
Can
sobrang
make someone
genuine yan.
grow.
Yes!
Exactly.
Yes, girly pop. Period.
Nakaka-boost ng energy. Parang sarap mabuhay. Ganun.
Yes, sir.
Longing na siya.
Kapag sinasabi
Halika
nga ni
pa.
Nikki, parang,
Don't worry, Danny. Mamaya iwanan namin si Brent para
Sige, pag-usapan natin yan.
pag-usapan siya.
Okay, ito naman. Kasi there are a lot of single women, particularly listening to this episode, listening to my podcast. I just want you guys to tell them, siguro, what your insights are for this. So, what's something girls think is attractive but doesn't actually matter? For example, when I was in grade 6, sobrang uso nun sa, I think, Tumblr yung ano yun sa gap sa legs? May thigh gaps. Parang we think na if we don't have a thigh gap, we're instantly not attractive for men. Ano yung something as petty, as simple as that na hindi naman totoo. You don't need to have that. You don't need to look like that.
Makeup. Oh, ang dami magagalit.
Hindi, pero totoo.
Yeah.
Like some guys, some
Ako, I
guys
like,
don't
like women with who don't wear makeups.
Or like no makeup.
No makeup.
Yeah.
I like yung natural look lang.
Simple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayun ang mas na-attract ako.
Yeah.
Ikaw, bro.
Ano pa examples mo? For that?
TikTok.
Preferring
No,
white.
like, ito yung biggest common misconception was before I actually dated out there, I thought guys prefer super petite, super sexy, super Coca-Cola. But like, I met guys during my dating series, na parang they prefer voluptuous women, like women with curves. So, do you think, for example na lang, do you think na weight really plays a big role in like how you see girls, if they're attractive or not?
For me, no. Mas attracted pa ako pag ino-own mo kung
Confident
meron
ka.
ka.
Yeah, totoo yan.
Yun.
Ako, I date someone na like, ano?
Voluptuous,
Yeah.
curvy.
Oh, yeah, curvy.
Yes.
Pero,
Hourglass.
once na dinadala mo yun as a girl, and then,
Confidence
Yeah.
lang talaga, no?
Totoo.
ma-attract ka talaga. as a guy.
On how you carry yourself talaga.
Yeah.
Yan yung pinaka Same tayo, bro. Kasi before,
same.
dati, bro, I dated, bro, as in curvy talaga, man. Pero, pasayawin mo.
As a dancer.
O, as a dancer. Tsaka paano niya dinadala yung sarili niya, bro, napaka-sexy, bro. Yung ganon, parang, wala siya sa wala siya sa figure or sa physical, Nasa pagdala talaga siya.
As a personality.
Oo, personality.
Yes, yes.
That's nice.
Kaya huwag kayong ma-insecure.
Yep.
Oo, own it, girl!
Oo.
You are beautiful!
Period.
Yes.
Diba?
Okay. That's nice. That's nice. Ay, ito, wait lang.
Puro physical ba?
I'm curious. Does it matter if a girl wears a dress or pants? Like, my preference ba? May preference ba yung guys? Kasi I have guy friends na parang nako-compliment lang nila ako pag naka-dress ako, let's say.
Ako
okay.
gusto ko, yung partner ko, gusto ko nakadress siya kapag kasama ko. Pero pag hindi, pants. Di ba? No. Ayun ang
Kasi
Lumabas
ano niya
yung
yan
pagka, protective. Okay.
Sa akin, I think, actually, wala naman akong problema eh. Wala akong problema kung anong susuotin niya. Basta nakikita ko siyang she's confident, nafe-feel niya na napakaganda niya sa suot niya.
Nalala ka?
Then, man, mas na-attract ako sa ganun.
Yeah, I get. How about you, Nikki?
Doesn't matter also. Yung damit. Pero, as long as, parang confident siya dun sa sinusuot niya.
Yeah.
Fine with me. And, dun sa sinasabi mo na kino-compliment, basta parang parang depende pa rin sa pagdala ng tao eh. Kahit naman hindi dress, kaya sabihin natin streetwear. As long as nagmamatch.
Nagmamatch.
Yung fit na yun.
Hindi pilit, no? It's her.
You would compliment it naman talaga.
Kung doon siya masaya,
Yeah.
nakikita mo naman.
Okay, for example, these girls are like going on a first date. Anong nice outfit?
Ghetto shit.
Ghetto shit.
Joke lang. And then, I think, I mean, sa akin, always represent yourself, girl. Kung ano yung pinakita mo sa akin and you look beautiful, man. Yun lang yun. Basta just carry yourself. Own everything,
Ako tanda ko.
Pangit kasi yung nagpe-pretend eh.
Yes.
Oo.
Kung ano yung personality mo, yun yung
Pakita
suot
mo na.
Tsaka, na ano din ako, like, for example, like, na-insecure ka sa sarili mo. I mean, ako, may mga part na parang, okay, wag kang ma-insecure kasi maganda ka eh. Alam mo yung para akong somehow,
Sayang yung ganda mo. Kung
para
hindi
akong
mo
somehow na parang,
maganda ka.
kailangan pa ba akong maging ganito? Parang, tawag nito?
To be someone I'm not.
No. It's like, parang, kailangan ko pa bang parang,
Patunayan.
patunayan sarili ko.
No.
Kaya natin to.
Mamaya,
Tao pa to.
text mo na lang mamaya. Text mo na lang.
I feel like at the end of the day kasi you would think na parang when you're going on a date, you want to, of course, present the best version of yourself.
Exactly,
But at the end of the day,
oo.
if for example na lang, girl, you're going on a date, you're pretending to be someone you're not just to impress this guy. At the end of the day, makikita niya rin kung sino ka, kung sino yung totoong ikaw. So, mapapakita mo rin siya after, like, in the long run. Tapos mag-break din kayo. So, it's better that you show who you truly are
Yes.
when you're getting to know this person. Para you know nga, if again, thank you next, or no.
But admit it, ang dali niya lang sabihin. But
It's easier
I
said than
believe
done, yeah.
marami din ang nakaka-experience na teka. Sometimes, saan na ba ako?
Bro, nasa Q studio tayo, bro.
See,
No,
guys,
sama
it's
natin
the
si Danny
CO2
B.
levels.
Nawala yung
of
thought
the-
mo
Nandito tayo
Kaya
sa...
Teka, ito na.
Ano Brent? Kaya
Sige,
may...
next
Ano
na.
ulit? Next na.
Okay,
Pass,
for our
pass.
last question na lang. If you had a younger sister or your future daughter entering the dating world, what would you tell her?
Huwag ka magmadali.
Yeah. Respect
Parang-
yourself.
Yeah, parang ano. I would say kasi ano ayoko mag-religious pero babalik ako sa Bible pa rin talaga kasi. Sa sarili mo, have the fruits of the Holy Spirit. Dapat makikita mo rin yung fruits nung magiging partner mo or yung nanliligaw sa'yo. Kasi dun mo makikita kung totoo ba siyang kunyari, mabait siya sa'yo. Kung
Pero sa
totoong,
iba,
di ba, sa iba, di pala, rude pala siya o kaya, basta may mask pala siya sa'yo.
Yeah.
You have to observe kung may fruit siya.
Patingin niya ako ng prutas mo.
Single talaga.
Sige, okay lang. Naiintindihan namin.
Danny, pasensya na may isang
Naiintindihan
angal dito.
namin.
May isang
Alam mo na.
Oh no.
I would say doon.
Okay.
Brothers, if you had a younger sister or your future daughter, anong sasabihin niya sa kanila?
Good luck.
Oh no!
Ganun lang ang advice.
Sa akin, I think I would say...
Ikaw, may kapatid ka.
Meron ka.
Ito, sinasabi ko nga na enjoy life, be decent, because daddy and mama never raise a hoe.
Ano ba yan? Lyrics ba yan?
Parang lyrics yun, pero...
palabas yan?
Lyrics.
Kakaisip ko lang nun.
Oh.
Hindi, pero totoo yun. Because, di ba, kumbaga, dumaan na tayo sa mga latigo, mga hanger, di ba? Mama and papa never raise a hoe, kaya be decent. But enjoy life.
Landi
Yes.
responsibly.
Landi
Landi,
responsibly.
Ayan,
Take it from Danny B.
Talagang advice ko lang if sa magiging anak ko, daughter or kasi wala mong kapatid na babae. Ewan ko lang yung kuya ko, kung maging babae pa. De, pero be responsible talaga.
Yeah.
And kasi yung generation ngayon, like yung world ngayon is sobrang grabe na. So, be responsible
Yeah.
in what you are doing. And be happy always. And pray. And listen to
Just always pray at
Danny B.
Listen to
Yes.
Danny B. Yes.
Ikaw,
Marami
anything
kang
to
matututunan.
say?
If
To
you want-
my sister that is in Baguio now.
Wow.
Nasa Baguio na siya mag-aaral. She's 19. Congratulations on your new journey. And
Enjoy life.
enjoy. I-keep mo lang yung values intact. And listen to our parents and to your kuya. Okay, makulit.
Madiin na. May diin yun ah.
Tsaka listen na rin to Daddy B. Marami siyang
If you want some landi
insightful-
tips, no?
Oo.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys. I did not expect this episode to be this deep.
Parang seryoso
Akala
na
ko,
namin eh.
lolo-lokohin nyo lang tong mga questions ko. But yeah, I think that's a nice angle also for the women listening and for the guys who are listening. I hope you learned a lot from this episode. Thank you so much, bro.
We learned
Thank you,
a lot
Daddy
from
B.
you.
Thank you so much.
You can also listen to our episodes sa podcast naman nila. So feel free to plug your podcast and your social media accounts.
Ayan, mga
Projects.
ka-bros.
Get it away, brother.
Kami po ang bro. You can stream our episodes on Spotify and you can watch us on YouTube also. And please join our community on Facebook. Just type in bro community. Again, I'm your Kuya Gen Z, Brad Valdez.
I'm your kuya.
Tawa.
And sa mga mga girls lang dyan. Di kami love experts. Pero may na-experience din naman kami.
Yes.
And thank you so much for guesting us.
Thank
You know, ako nga pala si Kuya Jay Arcilia.
Hello po.
Tapos ngayon ang bait-bait mo.
Now, we are really grateful and honored to be here, Danny. Kasi ang dami naming natutunan. Kasi, yun nga, again, di ba, sabi ko sa'yo, parang pag sinabing landi, flirt,
May negative connotation.
Pero ano pala, it's really parang napaka-educational niya. Or nakaka-enlight siya. Parang binrod mo yung mind namin. And thank you for that. And then, yun nga, and sa lahat ng mga flirty butterflies na nanonood ngayon, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga stories namin and mga shinare na mga experiences. And we wish you guys ng masarap na landian.
Period. Yes.
Landi responsibly.
Yes. Landi responsibly, guys. Thank you for opening up and being
Yeah.
vulnerable in this
Thank
podcast.
you.
Thank you so much.
And also, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, Danny Buenvenida at DANIBUENVENIDA, and Landian with Danny on Instagram and on Spotify. Don't forget to leave this podcast a 5-star rating on Spotify. And feel free to comment down your relandizations or your Landi realizations, whether you're watching on YouTube, on Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And if you guys want to share this in your social media accounts, feel free to tag them also. I feel like you can search them naman on Instagram so that they know that this podcast was helpful for you girls or guys or non-binary people navigating the dating scene. So always remember to keep your head up high and learn from troubles that pass you by. Let's say landi responsibly in 3, 2, 1.
Landi responsibly.
Yay!